we sail a little bit high.
Nova. This small robot was created to teach coding using artificial intelligence technology. It's able to recognize different colors, track faces, measure distances, and move through 5 different axes. You can control the robot by turning and guiding the device with joysticks that come with the device. Nova is an open-source project, therefore all its functions can be changed and improved depending on the owner's wishes. For example, the robot can recognize a voice and conduct a target survey. You can buy this cool gadget for $186. Ladroller. This innovative wheelchair allows the person using it to change his or her position in space literally by standing up using an exoskeleton-like mechanism. This vehicle can lift a seated person to the same height required. This function is indispensable in everyday life and helps prevent spine problems caused by being in the same position all the time. The wheels of the wheelchair rise the user instantly, putting him on a standing position. The strong fasteners eliminate the threat of losing balance and falling. Another feature of this wheelchair is that it can overcome small objects. Thanks to the big front wheels, it can overcome even the stairs. The cost of this gadget has not yet been revealed. Theory board. This multicolored keyboard is designed to simplify the process of writing music and learning music. Theory is equipped with a set of backlight keys. The device knows a large number of chords and scales. To start using it, you just have to choose a scale and the gadget will independently download the database of chords and sounds related to it. The device's memory contains of about 860 gammas, scales and frets and several thousand chords. Thanks to this gadget, the user can play melodies and accompaniments in any key, and each notes in chord are attached to certain keys, which simplifies the memorization process. Basically, Theory board is a synthetic musical instrument that encodes information using colors. Thus, the controller visually shows the relationship between melody and harmony, facilitating the learning process of beginners. You can buy this music assistant for $300. Roboboard. This toy robot was designed specifically to teach coding. In order to use the program, you don't need to know computer language, as the execution on various commands of the robot is carried out with multicolored blocks that can be connected in any order. Depending on the coding, the toy is able to perform the particular action as entitled in the coding. The basic version of this robot costs $190. Part 2 of this version will be coming soon.